Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a picture from your Tinder profile. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Tinder app on your phone. Once you're in, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can view how others see you on the app and make any changes you need. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll notice an Edit Profile button displayed prominently on your screen. Tap on this option to access all the customization features for your profile. This is where you can modify everything from your bio to your photos, giving you full control over how you present yourself to potential matches. Once you tap Edit Profile, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can manage various aspects of your account. Look for the section labeled Media. This is the area where all your uploaded photos are stored and organized. It's essentially your photo gallery within Tinder, and it's where you'll be able to add, rearrange, or remove any images you've previously uploaded. Inside the Media section, you'll see all the pictures currently displayed on your profile. These are the images that other users see when they come across your profile while swiping. Take a moment to review them and identify which photo you'd like to remove. Maybe it's an outdated picture or one that no longer represents you the way you'd like. Now pay attention to each individual photo in this section. You'll notice a small X icon positioned at the top right corner of every picture. This X is your delete button, and it's specifically designed to help you quickly remove any unwanted images from your profile. It's a straightforward feature that makes photo management simple and intuitive. When you've decided which photo to remove, simply tap on that X icon in the top right corner of the picture. This action will prompt Tinder to confirm whether you really want to delete this specific photo. It's an important safety feature that prevents accidental deletions, especially since you might have spent time selecting the perfect images for your profile. After clicking the X, a confirmation prompt will appear on your screen asking you to verify your decision. You'll see an option that says Delete Photo. Go ahead and tap on it to confirm the removal. This final step ensures that the picture is permanently deleted from your Tinder profile and won't be visible to any other users moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully removed a picture from your Tinder profile, giving you more control over how you present yourself on the app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.